Welcome to a new video. Today, you'll learn how to create a time record in the Axis Pro mobile app so you can track your work and turn it into income quickly and efficiently.
Go to the Calendar section in the mobile app, then tap the plus icon to add a new time entry. On the screen that opens, fill in the required details, select the client, choose the date, and set the time for the service provided.
Select the session duration, set the appropriate status, for example, completed or pending, choose the pricing type based on how you'll charge for the service, and finally select the rate you previously created. This ensures the record is properly configured and ready for invoicing later. Don't forget to add a clear description of the service provided so the record is properly identified. Once all fields are completed, tap Create, and the time record will automatically appear in your calendar, ready for tracking and invoicing. And with that, you now know how to create a time record in the Axis Pro mobile app. Accurately logging each session helps you keep precise control of your time and ensures everything is ready for error-free invoicing. See you in the next tutorial.